my name is Dana Johnson and I'd like to share with you how to make a bacon and cheese wrap. Okay, I'm going to start out with a whole wheat tortilla. I'm going to use some ranch dressing. I'm going to take a piece here of some low-fat provolone cheese. Also have some low-fat Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese. Grate it up, sprinkle it on. I sure love cheese and bacon together. You can place the bacon. You can use 2 to 3 strips. You can break them up a little if you like to. Myself, I prefer adding the lettuce, but you don't have to. And then it's time to roll your wrap. Go ahead and give it a slice. And look at how delicious that bacon and cheese wrap is. So here it is, the bacon and cheese wraps. You can take them on the go, have it for a snack after work or after school. That is one healthy meal. So for further recipes, please see danasfamilykitchen.com.